Hello everyone, thank you for coming to our AEPP graduation ceremony. I'm Yolanda, a Chinese student from AEPP. I'd like to share with you some of my experience and insights during my time in AEPP. Let's start with English learning, which is the most crucial part of AEPP course. When I first entered the school, my English was a major concern that the score was below A2. Grandma was like amazed that I couldn't navigate, and my vocabulary was as sparse as a desert. But day by day, with persistent reading, writing, and speaking practice, I've made great progress. Now, my average score reached B1, and I even achieved a C1 score in one of the highest scoring subjects. In addition, I've also made some new friends. Some are from China, some are from Russia, and some are from India. In the process of guiding along with them, I've learned about unique cultures, customs, values, and the ways of life of friends from different countries or regions. Their perspectives have sometimes greatly inspired me, breaking my previous limitation in well points and enable me to solve problems with new ways of thinking. The most important lesson I learned, and also the most challenging aspect throughout the AEPP process for me, is the courage to try and the courage to face failure. The AEPP has provided students with numerous opportunities for self-improvement. I often refrained from trying due to my fear of failure and mistakes. Now, I'm very proud to say that I have been able to bravely take the plunge. I'm constantly accumulating experience in practice and becoming better. Here, I would like to express my gratitude to my teachers and classmates for their encouragement. It was their support that made me realize the failure itself is not terrifying. What's truly joyful is losing the courage to try again because the fear of failure. The failure is like a mirror, clearly reflecting my shortcomings and enable me to make timely changes. I'm also proud to say that I reached the Student of the Month in September. It was a great honor and the recognition of my hard work. As for what I will do next, I'm excited to move on to the mainstream classes. I plan to put more energy on the study of science and university in MUN in March. I believe these courses will further enrich my knowledge and skills. As a senior, I'd like to share some tips with their freshmen, the new AEPP students. First, don't be nervous when getting around the new campus. Take time to explore, and you will quickly adapt. Second, learn to study independently. Make a study plan, pre-well, finish assignment on time, and visit library often. Finally, be brave to make new friends. Join club is a good way to find them and cherish the time with classmates. I hope you will have a wonderful school time. In conclusion, AEPP has been an amazing journey for me. It has not only improved my academic abilities, but also helped me grow into a more confident, open-minded, and sociable person. Thank you, AEPP. Thank you for everything.
Hello, I'm Asha from AEPP classes. I'm studying in One North International School. And today I would like to share my experience of studying in AEPP classes. My native language is Russian and Kazakh. And I was very worried that I would not find friends or would not understand the teachers well, but everything turned out to be much easier. Our teacher, Miss Melissa, is very kind and cheerful. She will always help us if we don't understand something. Our other teachers in APP are also very good, like Miss Verhini, Miss Alpha, Miss Clara. The same can say about my classmates. We played with classmates, help each other, joke with each other. From the first day, I found friends in my class. Everything was quite easy, and in the lessons. The topics were very pleasant and was a lot of fun in study. There was not very difficult. My favorite lesson is writing. I really like that imagination can create any text there. And I was very happy I tried AEPP program. And now my progress in English was recent very well.